Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you sounds of every plushie voice and the spawn and the mini games on this Minecraft server. So let's get started. I don't know how I'm going to call these plushies, but I can call them by the animals and colors. So purple panda, red dog I think, yellow, but I don't know what is it. I think it can be mobs from the missions you need to complete for the new cape and other things. This is blue bait. In this palace there are a lot of these plushies, so it's easy to find them. Okay, light blue axolotl, I think it's now green llama. It's good sound, and these mobs I click on it and you hear the sound. So I'm going go find. I found another plushie what I don't click on. So this is sound of this blue or green mob. It can be this one. Now I'm going to go to these underground rooms and find frog and some other mobs if there's some ants. Okay, there are frog and axolotl I think. Okay, frog, and this is axolotl. We got this one. Okay, another frog. This is the blue bird. We got him too. So I'm going to find another. I think there is llama in these rooms. Okay, another frog. Blue bird again. I'm going to end this parkour and go for the llama. Again parkour. Okay, we are here. This is the llama again, green llama. Okay, pink parrot, we got him already. So going to do this part. Okay, nice. We go up. So we got the red rabbit, this yellow mob, llama, frog, this green mob, axolotl, bat, purple panda, and pink parrot, and also this orange mob. Nice, we got all of them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.